Twotwo CrazyAI brings you the most important AI news we've curated for today. Anthropic released a new AI safety system with just 1% compute overhead. xAI rebuilt X's algorithm using 20,000 GPUs and promises full open source. Meta signed a massive 6.6 gigawatt nuclear deal. Let's dive into today's developments.
Anthropic just released Constitutional Classifiers++, a major breakthrough in AI safety. This new system uses an innovative two-stage architecture combined with internal probe technology to effectively prevent jailbreak attacks on large language models. Most impressively, it reduces compute overhead to just 1% while keeping false rejection rates at 0.05%. This means user experience remains virtually unaffected, while security is dramatically improved. The system is now deployed on Claude Opus 4.0 and Sonnet 4.5. Future research will explore integrating classifier signals directly into the response generation process.
xAI has achieved an engineering feat of epic proportions. They deployed over 20,000 GPUs to completely rewrite X Platform's recommendation algorithm from scratch. The new system runs on the Colossus Supercomputing Center. Even more significant, Musk announced the entire codebase will be open source within 1 week, including organic recommendations and ad ranking systems. This is unprecedented in social media history. Updates will follow every 4 weeks with detailed developer documentation. Early data shows user dwell time and new follows have both increased by approximately 20%.
Meta just signed a record-breaking nuclear energy deal. At 6.6 gigawatts total, it's enough to power 5 million American homes. The agreement involves partnerships with Vistra, Oklo, TerraPower, and other nuclear companies, aimed at providing 24/7 carbon-free, stable power for Meta's next-generation AI infrastructure. This energy will supply the upcoming 1 gigawatt Prometheus data center in Ohio and the planned 5 gigawatt Hyperion super data center launching in 2028. Meta's global energy chief says investing in nuclear is critical to achieving their AI goals. Tech giants are deploying clean energy at an unprecedented scale.
OpenAI is changing the game. They're letting ChatGPT subscribers use their model quota directly in multiple open-source coding tools. They're already in talks with popular projects like OpenHands, RuCode, and Pi. OpenCode moved first, implementing this feature in version 1.1.11. Users simply need the /connect command to set it up. OpenAI is also calling for more open-source teams to reach out for partnerships. This is a major strategic shift, showing OpenAI actively embracing the open-source ecosystem.
Linux and Git creator Linus Torvalds just dropped an interesting new project. He released AudioNoise on GitHub, an open-source project exploring digital audio effects. But what's really catching attention is Torvalds publicly admitting he used vibe coding during development. He completed the Python data visualization code using Google's anti-gravity tool. When this legendary programmer embraces AI-assisted coding, you know vibe coding has truly gone mainstream.
Here's today's craziest question. AI safety, algorithm transparency, energy revolution. 3 major trends exploding simultaneously. Which one will be the biggest transformative force in AI for 2026? What's your choice? Drop it in the comments. Twotwo CrazyAI. Stay crazy tomorrow.